The purpose of this video is to familiarize you with the Moodle course website. If you're already familiar with Moodle, much of this will be review. If it's new to you, all the better. If you look here at the welcome portion of the website for Human Ecology Online, you'll see that there is on the left side a navigation pane which has a list of the major features for the entire semester, and then the balance of the screen has on it the main material for each of the topics that we'll cover. And as you can see, as I scroll down here, the various topics for each week that we will cover in this course all the way to May when the semester ends. This first pane, which I call the sort of welcome page, you'll see that there are a number of things here that you should probably check out. The course syllabus, a statement on plagiarism, frequently asked questions, which should answer some of the things that you might need to know for the first exercise, instructions for setting up a Turnitin account. You will need a Turnitin account, so if you don't already have one, this explains how to do that. I require both the laboratory reports, and I'll speak of these assignments in a moment, the laboratory reports and the individual essays or individual assignments to have a citation in it. At the very least, I expect you to look at the textbook and to reference the appropriate pages of the textbook. In order to do that, you need to have some kind of reference and citation methodology. You can use the one that I provide here, which I propose here, which is just a very simple numbering system where you put in the source as a number and then list at the end a bibliography. Or you can use, if you're more familiar with such things as APA citing or MLA, all of those would be possible, whatever you are comfortable with. But you must cite information in your assignments and provide appropriate references. The different types of assignments, let me just briefly go over those. There are discussions, which are basically forums, which, as the term would suggest, I provide a topic for you to discuss among yourselves, and I'll, of course, moderate that and interject in that. There are individual assignments, or IAs. These are assignments that are basically short essays where I give you a topic to explore, you will read about it, you will summarize that information, provide references, and write a brief couple of paragraphs. The laboratory are two assignments, one in the middle of the semester, one at the end of the semester. They're 8 or 9 pages long, devoted to a particular topic where you will collect some data and analyze it. I'll say more about that. The information for the first lab assignment, which is due mid-semester, will become available in the next day or so. Finally, there are what are called self-quizzes or self-assessments. These are small online quizzes that you can take up to 3 times. The highest score is what counts for your grade. They are to help reinforce your learning and to help you understand the important concepts for each topic. If we go back to the main page here, what I want you to see here is, as I said, the navigation down the side, which is very useful, and I know you'll make good use of that. But please also, in the main body of the web page, note that if you click on this, for instance, the basic ecology, you'll see these are all set up, organized about the same way. There's a introduction. There's some often a video introduction, PowerPoints, some written material, background and notes, and then the actual assignments for that particular week. These, of course, aren't available yet, but if we were at this particular juncture, they would be active links and you'd be able to use them. I encourage you to be sure to check this main body of the website each week to get the background information, because as in any course, what you put into it is what you get out of it. So the more you look at the background material, the more you immerse yourself in the material, the more interesting the course will be, and the more you'll be able to understand, and the more you'll benefit. So that's about how the course is set up. The website, I hope, is pretty intuitive. If you have any problems with the material or with finding assignments, by all means, email me. I'm readily available on email. If you have technical issues, I would refer you to our help desk because I'm not a technician, so I really can't help with those kinds of problems, but anything pertaining to the course itself. Finally, I just want to say most people do very well in this course. All you have to do is complete the assignments, complete them on time, and with some academic rigor, and you'll do just fine. The people who seem to have problems with this course are those that simply can't keep deadlines and seem to lose track of things. If you stay on top of things, I think you'll do just fine. That's about it. I want to welcome you to the course. Wish you the best of luck in the upcoming semester and look forward to getting to know you through the course and through the assignments.